Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we will attempt to find the highest common factor of this particular two numbers. Since they are not given in prime factorization, I will just simply use the successive division method. And perhaps at this point here, it is good to list out the first few prime numbers, as that will actually help us in our attempt to find the highest common factor. Okay, so I divide by 2, the smallest one, and that will give me 64 and 162, and I realize I can continue to divide by 2 to give me 32 and 81, and I realize that there's no more prime numbers that I can divide both by. So we stop here. And the highest common factor is then, in this case, 2 times 2, 4. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.